Okay, so here I've installed the LEDs inside the buckets here. I've got the tail light rings on here, the bezels, and now I'm going to just install the rear license plate bracket. Make sure that gets in there first. There we go, that's good. And here it is. So okay. And gotta clean it up a little bit. But that's it. The holes should line up. We'll find out in a minute. First, let's check to make sure the lights are working. LEDs are working, rather. And let's see what we got here. Okay, the red brake lights are on. Yep, all four of those are working. Now, let's see if the other LED is working. We have a second battery here. And I've got a couple of leads to connect this. Let's see what happens. Make sure everything works properly. Oh, there we go. So now we have the parking lights and the brake lights. And that should be good. And the brake lights aren't as, of course, the license plate bracket light too. So that completes that test. And I'm okay with that.